This graph is trying to lie to you. If you look at this graph and you understand data, it's not that big a deal. You can see what the problem is. However, the way this graph is intended to make you feel is that no matter who is in office, the deficit goes up. Here's the thing though, there are two problems with this, and I'm gonna show you in two quick, easy stories why this doesn't work out like the people who are giving you the graph want it to. First, let's zoom in on the Clinton administration. So, one of the big hallmark things that the Clinton administration did was balance the budget. And you can see it right here. This is where, as the graph tapers off, there is no new deficit being added to the debt, which is why it's flat. There's no more additions. And we're not paying it down because we don't have a surplus, but we do have a balanced budget. When George W. Bush gets in office, they start spending again. So debt goes up. Then we have the Great Recession. Now, if you look here, this is the second place we're gonna look. Obama administration is 8 years long and the Trump administration is 4 years long, and yet very similar graph heights. That's a problem. They shouldn't be the same height. And you can even see this with this part of the Obama graph here, where the increase to the deficit starts to slow down. Here's the thing. The story is that everyone adds to the deficit. Yes, everyone adds to the debt, but that doesn't tell the whole story. The speed at which we are adding to the debt makes a difference. And when revenues increase, that means the deficit goes down, which means the debt doesn't increase as much. If you take a second and look at this graph, you can tell that there are differences, but the people who made the graph don't want you to think so.